Hey guys, today I will tell you how to fix the Pixel Launcher wallpaper issue. So let's get started. You have to download Pixel Launcher from in the description and also download a Google wallpaper. Whenever I launch Pixel Launcher, I face a issue of wallpaper. When I hit on the wallpaper, it stopped working. So I have a good solution for that. So you have to download a wallpaper, Google wallpaper from Play Store, in which you can uh, easily fix this issue. After downloading wallpaper from Google, you have to go to wallpaper settings. Check is it work. If it's work, give a thumbs up. If it doesn't, thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.